Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a recipe for quick Chipotle black beans. This is a copycat recipe for the black beans that we all love from the Chipotle restaurant chain, and it's super easy to make, so let's just get started. First things first, give your pan a couple of sprays of olive oil cooking spray, and then next we're going to add in 2 cans of black beans. Now normally when you use black beans you're going to drain and rinse them, but for this particular recipe just partially drain it, so leave a little bit of the liquid in there and go ahead and pour those into your pan. Turn that down a little bit. There we go, see there's some liquid there. Okay, the next ingredient is 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. And just pour that whole thing in there. Now I'm currently following the myWW program, which is formerly known as Weight Watchers, and I'm on the blue plan. So this recipe for me is 0 points, which is really awesome. It's really tasty and it's really healthy, and I think you're gonna love it. Okay, the next ingredient is from a can of Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. So for this recipe you're gonna need a pepper and some of the adobo sauce. The recipe I'm following calls for 1 pepper, but I like it a little spicier, so I like to add 2 peppers. There's 1. Now just use your spoon to try to get out 3 teaspoons of the adobo sauce. Now I have another recipe posted. It's a copycat version of the Chipotle chicken, and I'm going to save the rest of that sauce for that recipe. Okay, the next ingredient is 1 bay leaf. Just pop that in there. And next we need 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. This recipe comes together so quickly. It's seriously one of the easiest, quickest recipes. Okay, next is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then finally 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. It already smells so good. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. Just give everything a stir to make sure all the ingredients are combined. And next you're just going to want to bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and that's it. So after about 10 minutes I'm just going to fish out my bay leaf and then the 2 peppers I placed in earlier. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to transfer this to a glass dish, and I like to do that because then it's kind of like my serving bowl. I can reheat it in there. It stores really well in the fridge this way. Just going to pour that in there. This is really good to make ahead if you are going to make that Chipotle chicken copycat. I like to make this ahead of time, like maybe in the morning or the day before, and then it's just one of those really easy things to just pop in the microwave and reheat right before you serve a big meal. It makes a great side dish too. I'm going to leave a link to the original recipe in the description box below. I found this recipe at theskinnyishdish.com. And so if you like this kind of video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.